Welcome everyone. So today we will solve Leetcode problem 141 linked list cycle. We will be solving it using Golang. So this problem states that we are given a linked list which can be circular or which might not be circular. And the problem states that we need to find if there is a cycle present in a linked list or not. If the cycle is present, we need to return true, else we need to return false. So if we take this example, we can see that there is a cycle present in the linked list that starts at 2, goes from 2 to 0 to -4 and then ends at 2. So since there is a cycle in this linked list, we will return true. If we take this example, we can see that there is no linked list cycle present, so we will return false here. So how we will solve this problem? We will solve this problem by keeping two pointers. So we'll first initialize two pointers and they both will point to head. Now we will do is while traversing the linked list, we will we will update the first pointer with twice as many speed as the first pointer. So if I suppose have a fast pointer and a slow pointer, then I'll update my fast pointer to next, that is twice as many speed, twice as much speed, and then I'll update my slow pointer from slow equal to slow dot next. So if my slow speed is x, then my fast pointer's speed will be 2x. So I'll be updating my fast pointer is fast dot next. So I'll like every time two times. So my fast pointer will update by twice as much speed as my slow pointer. And then we will check whether traversing like this our fast pointer or slow pointer becomes equal at some point. If they do become equal at some point, then we can conclude that our cycle is present and then we will return true, else we will return false. So why does this work? See, because if you assume an example of like a two persons traveling around a circle and one person is traveling by twice as much speed as the first person, so there is bound to happen that the person that is moving fast will will meet at some point the first person that is moving slow and will overcome it, right? So if you link that example with this one, we can see that the fast pointer will overcome the slow pointer, will meet the slow pointer at some point and will overcome it in a circular case. And if they do meet at some point, then we can say that it was circular in nature and we will return true, else we will return false. So let's code this up now. First we will check if our head is equal to nil. If it is, or if our head dot next is equal to nil, then that means that there is no cycle present and we will just return false. Now we will initialize two pointers. One is slow pointer which will point to head first, and the fast pointer will also point to head first. Now we will traverse the linked list while fast is not equal to nil and fast dot next is not equal to nil. Why fast dot next? Because we are traversing fast by twice as much speed, so we will also need to check fast dot next. Now we will update our slow values, slow pointer and fast pointer. Slow equal to slow dot next, fast equal to fast dot next. Now we will check if our fast is equal to slow. If they are, then that means it is in circular nature, else at the end we will just return false. Now let's run this and see if it works. And we can see it does. I'll submit it now, and we can see it's pretty efficient. That was all for today. I'll see you in next one.